Rat Salt here at the SEMA show. We caught up with BDS and the man over here, Carter Reed. Man, tell us a little bit about your product. You guys are always taking it to the next level. You offer everything for any lifted truck, whether it's off-road or you like the big show vehicles. You guys got it all.
Yeah, we have the full gamut. Whether it's truck, Jeep, big, little, we have kits for everybody. Whether you're looking for the price point kit or you're looking to go crazy like what we have here in the booth, we've got options for everyone. The two trucks we got in our booth this year, brand new 2019 Ram 3500. We've got kits coming out for those all the way up to 8-inch. Over on the other side, we got this brand new HD, 2020 HD, a lot of hype about that truck. We're going to do more of the low performance oriented kits, so like a coilover conversion to get rid of the torsion bars, and as well as the standard lift kits with all the brackets and everything to go up to 6.5.
So Carter, walking around SEMA over here, we see so many Jeeps, and you guys are stepping up your game. You got lots of new Jeep, brand new products coming out. Tell me about some of those.
Lots of new exciting stuff for the JL and the JT. Everything from your 2 and 3 inch kits just to get you up and lift it up a little bit, all the way up to 6.5 inch long arms. We got dealers all over the country selling our stuff. That's the best place to go and get your hands on the parts. But if you're just trying to get some information, check them out online. Configure your kit the way you want. Best place is BDS-suspension.com.
More video highlights for some great products right here at the SEMA show in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Stick around.